This is X from X's Auto Shop and Performance. The professionals had to come check it out, so stay tuned for the video and go and check us out.
That would definitely make some noise. All right. Oh, it's still jumping around in there. It's literally hiding in there. So, this is the only option. This is why Snap-on is so intelligent. And then I can just flip. I don't hear a peep in sight. One more second, let me get on the other side. All right, go ahead.
Come to X's Auto Shop. Come to X's Auto Shop. Come to X's Auto Shop. 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 Come on down, guys. We come to you. Let us know.